Ever wonder why you start a project with fire in your soul, but 2 weeks later, you can't even find the energy to open your laptop? What's up, everyone? Welcome back to tokns.fi. Today, we are diving deep into the psychology of drive and how to actually stay motivated every single day without relying on fleeting bursts of inspiration. I'm going to show you the 2026 science of dopamine regulation and how to apply it to your investing and personal growth goals. Whether you're scaling your portfolio in the TX ecosystem or building a business, these frameworks are what separate the top 1% from the dreamers. The dopamine trap of 2026. Most people think motivation is a feeling, but it's actually a neurochemical process. In 2026, we are more overstimulated than ever. Constant notifications and instant gratifications fry our reward receptors. When you chase cheap dopamine, like endless scrolling, your brain loses the ability to pursue hard dopamine goals, like studying the TX ecosystem or mastering DeFi. To fix this, you have to stop treating motivation as a spark and start treating it as a battery that needs recharging. The micro-win framework. The secret to staying motivated is not a giant goal, but a series of micro-wins. Instead of saying, I want to be a millionaire by the end of 2026, focus on, I will analyze one new DeFi project today. Every time you complete a small task, your brain releases a small amount of dopamine, which fuels the desire to do the next task. This creates a positive feedback loop. Check out the resources at coherencedaddy.com to help structure your daily productivity habits. Systemizing your willpower. Relying on willpower is a losing game because willpower is a finite resource. You need to build systems that make the right choice the easiest choice. If you want to stay focused on your blockchain education, remove the distractions from your physical environment, automate your reminders, and set non-negotiable time blocks for your deep work. The identity shift. The final piece of the puzzle is shifting your identity from someone trying to someone who is. Stop saying, I'm trying to get into crypto, and start saying, I am an investor in the TX ecosystem. When your actions align with your identity, motivation becomes automatic because you are simply acting as yourself. Visit tokens.fi to find community support and tools that help reinforce this professional identity. Stop chasing cheap dopamine and focus on hard wins. Use micro goals to create a chemical feedback loop, build systems, and shift your identity to make success inevitable. Remember, the difference between where you are and where you want to be in 2026 is simply the consistency of your daily actions. If you're ready to level up your mindset and your portfolio, hit that subscribe button. Smash the like button if this perspective shift helped you today. Comment 2026 below if you're committing to your goals this year.